Sherlock Hounds. I need you to get off your hindquarters and do some work for me.
The dogs will chase a ball even if you didn't throw it. I think that's kind of funny.
Seriously, Hounds? We have a possible situation in Piedmont Park.
I like parks.
What seems to be the problem, Chief?
Well, Piedmont Park has a couple of dog parks at a higher elevation with the streams nearby. There's some concern that the waste from the dog parks is being washed into those streams. We need to get down there, investigate, and make sure there's no funny business going on.
Why would waste being washed away be a bad thing?
It's elementary, my dear Wolfson. Fecal matter contains many different types of bacteria. These bacteria can range from being harmless to deadly. One common bacteria found in dog waste is E. coli. E. coli is found in all mammalian dietary tracts and is often used as an indicator for water quality. Although most E. coli won't make you sick, there's always a chance that E. coli entering the streams may be harmful. We need to figure out if the dog parks are increasing the risk of bacterial infection.
That's right. Now go investigate, you mangy mutts.
Wolfson, get off the ground.
How are we going to find the contamination if we don't sniff for it?
We'll collect soil samples progressively closer to the water sources. Then we'll take those samples back to the lab and use serial dilution.
What are those, Hounds?
Try not to interrupt, Wolfson. Serial dilutions will lower the concentration of bacteria. We'll be able to count the number of colonies.
But why are the number of colonies that important, Hounds?
Colony counts will indicate the original concentration of E. coli bacteria in our samples. With me?
Well, I guess so. We should also check for phosphorus levels.
I really hate to admit this, but that's genius. The phosphorus levels have been shown to correlate with canine animal waste.
Oh, yeah, that's why I was saying that.
Wait, look there now. There's dog feces in action.
Ew, gross!
Someone should have picked that up when it was dropped. That waste could be infecting other dogs with parasites or the water with all sorts of nasty bacteria. Come on, Wolfson, let's take our samples and get back to the lab so we can determine how dangerous this really is.
Well, we're finally done testing all our soil samples. So, what are the results and what do they mean?
It appears that there's a slight correlation between distance to the dog park and the amount of E. coli.
What does that mean?
I can't definitively say that the dog parks are a source for the contamination, if there's contamination, but there's a distinct possibility.
So I mean, the dogs can poop anywhere in the park. There's no risk.
Heel boy. The park goers still need to be sure that they're being vigilant about picking up dog waste. There is still a risk that bacteria can enter the water this way. If it is always picked up, it will help keep everyone safe, including the environment.
Oh, Hounds, can we please go to the park? I want to play.
I guess so. Interesting.